Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have this module here. Actually, this is for 2003 Nissan Murano. What happened is that anytime we program the car start and it lose programming. You program it again, the car start 2 times and it lose programming. Sometimes the security light flash 5 times accepting the programming, and then when you start the car, it drive. As long as you do not turn the ignition off, it will work. So what happened is that finally we have one like this from another car. We put it in, it worked good. So we are going now to change that one. Where is the location? Disconnect it and put it in. If you need to buy another one, for example, if you need to put a used one, yes, it's work because a new one is discontinued. I ordered one from eBay, and they sent me a wrong one. If you see here, this one, they send it to me. Even though I read the information and I look at it, they send it wrong. They look almost the same, but it's different. I don't know how this guy sent this one to me, but it look like it's different. This is 3 connector. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connectors. If you need to program this car, it will ask you, it will fail. The only thing you have to do is the computer will not be able to read the BCM number from here to convert it, or it bypass it. In 2003 Murano, you must read this number. You see 26101. It depends from car to car, the NO. You're gonna read this one, 26101, and you put it in. When you try to program it, it will ask you, do you want to put the conversion or the BCM number? If you already calculate this number, which means you put this one into a calculator, input, it will give you another output. If you don't do that, you can put the same BCM number, and it will calculate it for you, and it will program the key for you. Turn the ignition off, turn it on, it's flash 5 times, program okay, it will not losing the program. So we are going now to show you where it's located and what step we need to do in order for us to program it. This is a Nissan Murano, and we did a lot of tests, and that is the computer programming. So what we need to do, you have to push to come down here. You see that is the place where the module is located. I'm gonna go a little bit, I'll put this light there. See, that is the module. Okay. I'm gonna replace it now. I'm gonna go from that angle. Hopefully it's clear. So I will disconnect it and put the new one. So I have a clips here. It's kind of tight, but try to take the one here. All they are kind of hard, so you may have to use a screwdriver to push those clips out. Okay. Let me see, this is the first one. Yes. Also this one here. And the 2 others one. This one hopefully is not gonna get damaged. if you don't do attention, you can break it. You see here, it have some clips here, it jump out. Just be careful. This one also almost break. And the last one. Okay. Now I'm going to take this one out. I will put mine. Be sure that this one here, and just take your time and be sure you are going in the right place here. This is here, I believe, and this one here. Don't let any chip go away. And the last one is here. Now, don't forget to take the part number 26101 because we need it. Okay, now this one is done. Okay. Now the next step is to put a battery charger. You see, this is the antenna. You can put it here, but we put it down here, and the guy have a remote starter, as you see. This is why he left the key here. He left the chip here. He took it down and left the chip here. You can start the car with anything there. You have no problem. So what's gonna happen next? We are going to put a jumper cable in the car, a booster, and then we have to program it. So if you remember this car, I did a job on it last time, and I parked it outside, and suddenly the car burned by itself. This is a short that's happening, burning all the coils and the valve cover gasket. The wire was burned in the first video. Look at it here. We fix all the wires. We put the valve cover gasket, new one, and we changed 2 coils, this one, and we put another one here too. And then all the wires that's burned, we come all the way back, we sort them out. This one it's not for the coil, but the coil have 3 wires. Each one of them they burn. We sort them out, we fix them. This is a ground. You see, we did the ground here correctly, and we put it in. And thank God that at this short, after we fix, we don't have no burn. The computer never burned, which is, I'm very happy for that. Now we're gonna get the charger and put a charger and then see what we can do. Okay, I put the charger, and now I believe we're gonna plug in our machine